Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy braided bun hairstyle in under 3 minutes. First, section out the crown area, and all I'm going to do is split this into 3 and do a simple 3-strand braid. I'm only going to braid this for a few inches and then tie it off with a clear elastic band. Next, I'm going to add some wax spray across the top of the head. I'll pop everything I'm using in the description below. Then gently pinch and pull at the hair on the top of the head and around the sides for a little bit of volume and texture. Next, I'm going to take the hair from the left-hand side, so everything just behind the ears forward. Take the same size section on the right-hand side. Bring them together at the back of the head, slightly to the right-hand side, and secure with an elastic band. Next, take a chunk of hair from the right-hand side. Again, take the same size section from the left. Bring these together at the back of the head, but this time we're going to secure them slightly over to the left-hand side. Just tie them together with another elastic band. Braid the remaining hair into a simple 3-strand braid, securing it with an elastic at the end. Then use your fingers and gently pinch and pull each stitch of the braid to give it more volume. Take the end of the braid and then we're going to start rolling it up itself until it reaches the nape of the neck. Then just secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.